Fun. Having fun is okay. Get some love in your life, whether that be another person or just loving yourself, man. Love is good. Spread love. Spread.
Wow! No, don't watch. Vlog, Jana. Say hi to my vlog, sweetie. Good luck. Uy, ako din. Thank you. Yay! Thank you so much. So cute. Wow, credits to Gina. Luya ni Sandra.
Picture ko, sabot na mo na araw.
Yes. Green. Naga. Ako gusto ka.
Picture daw na.
I know how much it's so big. I think it's too big.
This is salted salt latte with oat cider.
Okay.
The banana bread.
Hi guys! I just got here sa my house after sa gym with my friends. And we have a snack. I'm so hungry actually. I'm so hungry. Oh. We are studying for exam next week. I'm just gonna bring you today with me kasi may hold ako. Kahit pa paano. And I need to edit the vlog pa. I haven't posted the vlog last week. I need to add that in my list. Anyway, we're done with 8 a.m. I woke up 8 a.m. Breakfast. I had 2 eggs, fried egg in the Hi vlog! This is the fit. Yeah, we're going na. Kay Natalia's boarding house. Doon daw kami magawa ng CHN na props. Agenda is, I'm gonna pay for SEO. Yeah. I need to pay